this is interesting. Okay. Hopefully it will be easy. Tools. It's hard to believe it's going to be real furniture, but it always turns out. I thought the woodwork was going to be unfinished, so this is a really nice surprise. Not that you'll see it, but that's great. Beautiful finish. Okay, you go get safe in the manager spot. Thanks for your help. This back just slipped on, placed with dowels type of thing. Then you put this together and seriously, you put it in there and screw it in with this tool and you're halfway done already. My kind of building. I seriously think Ikea furniture designers must be very good at Rubik's Cubes because this is just like a big puzzle and it's amazing. Wrong. Let's try to do it without the directions. You're supposed to screw it in from that side. Okay. I will fix. I was wondering why this looked weird. Would you just look at that? It is the perfect height. And it's really springy. Oh my gosh, this is nice. Time to sew. My sewing machine's hidden in there. The slip cover wasn't one piece, so the back was slipped into place, the rest smoothed out, and it was done, just like that. Fun, easy. This is gonna be fun.